So here comes our gold for the day. So let's see what this daily time frame actually says, right? A quick analysis is that we're actually at a key level here. We saw that price has once reacted at this level, right? Once we had a drop, then a pullback was made before price continued to drop, right? We also saw price reacted at this level, right? I also see that price also reacted at this level. So there's no, it should not be surprising to us that now that price is at this level, we should expect a reaction on this, gold. One thing is that once price has reacted to a level previously and price gets to that same level again, price should definitely react at that same level. So we are currently at this level. So we should be expecting a reaction on this our gold, by the way. So do not be surprised, right? That if our gold possibly might give us a drop before maybe a continuous bullish move, who knows if we might get it the next day, right? Above all, we'd want to see what this moving average says, which is above our moving average, meaning that we should go long, right? But we want to see this movement for the next day. We want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, right? So we need to predict the price for the next day and where we'll be moving. We would actually go to the 4-hour time frame. So this is the 4-hour time frame I want you guys to pay attention to. So you can clearly see that price has once dropped down to this level, right? You also see that that's rose to this level, right? What is it now doing again? It is dropping. So I want you guys to actually highlight this level here, where possibly price might drop to again. We can see that price has once reacted at this level. Once price go to this level, we saw a huge candlestick wick here that price dropped, right? We also saw price give us a pullback. It pushes up. It give us a pullback, and we would want to highlight it. So we possibly might be seeing this price ranging for the next day, whereby once price drop down to the support level, we might possibly see a rally movement upward to this resistance level. So I want you guys to watch out for this gold. So if you want to take this trade, right, once the market opens for this, gold, since the gold has closed, the market for the gold has closed right now. But once it opens the next day, then I'll say short it to this support level, maybe an opt out from here. Then later, once price is giving us the rally movement, then you can enter and go long from here to this resistance level. So we should kind of start seeing this gold like a range market move, except this gold tends to push down and break the support level. Then we can now start shorting it. Or if price decide to rally up and break above the resistance level, if price decide to rally up and break above the resistance level, then you can now go long. If it does not do any of those movements, if none of those movements has been made, then one thing for sure we will be seeing on our gold is that this price will be ranging here. So there's every like a possibility that price will be ranging within this area for some time. So let's see if we can come down to this resistance level and support level, sorry, and take it up to the resistance level. And if it got to the resistance level and it breaks above the resistance level, then we can now continue our long movements on our gold. And let's see what this 4-hour time frame says. So still same movements here to our support, to our resistance. Now we are making a move downward to our support. So once we get to the support level, we can actually go up straight to the resistance level on this our gold.